Soothing and moisturizing aloe lotion recipe. The best thing about homemade beauty products is that they usually cost a dime, are easy to make, and free from harmful chemicals. And the best part of it is the feeling that it is the product you made yourself, for yourself, with all the care and attention. This simple aloe vera lotion is completely natural, easy to make, and will make your skin look fabulous. How to make it? Add into your high-speed blender 1/4 cup of each of these ingredients: aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. Blend for 2 minutes to get a creamy and smooth lotion, and transfer it into a ball mason jar. The benefits of the ingredients. Aloe vera gel has many healing properties, including inflammation prevention, sunburn relief, fighting acne, skin moisturization, wrinkle prevention, and more. Aloe vera gel makes the lotion smooth, silky, and easy to apply. Coconut oil contains lauric and linoleic acid that moisturize the skin, fight free radicals, and prevent premature aging. Cocoa butter is obtained from the cocoa bean and has a slightly chocolatey aroma. It reduces the appearance of scars and stretch marks, deeply moisturizes the skin, and slows down skin aging. Enhance your lotion with essential oils. Adding up to 20 drops of essential oil to this lotion will make it even more potent and healing. Depending on what you need, you can use the following essential oils. Tea tree oil is the best for acne-prone skin. To balance the skin, add geranium oil. Lavender oil will give a soothing and relaxing effect to your lotion. Frankincense oil slows down skin aging. Use lemongrass essential oil to relieve sore muscles and joints. To get a refreshing feeling and boost your mood, add peppermint essential oil to your lotion.